Do you want to have an overpowered team of pulse mid-game? Well, you can achieve this by obtaining some of the strongest attacking pulse third breeding. This list only includes pulse that are available at high level in this wild, especially over level 40. You can acquire them by breeding over level pulse together. For instance, if you breed 2 level 20 pulse, you may obtain one that is typically found at level 45, such as Anubis. The remaining pulse are not included in this list as they require a pulse that is already close to the level at which you find it. For example, Shadowbeak is not included because it can only be bred with another Shadowbeak or an Agon, both of which are level 40. This limitation prevents you from obtaining it early or mid-game, and this holds true for 90% of the pulse in the game. With over 18,000 pulse combinations, only 7 result in breeding mid-level pulse to get pulse that are over level 40 and are found exclusively in the wild. In this list, I will show you all 7 combinations, allowing you to enhance your team strategically. Team that is overpowered early to mid games as soon as you can build the breeding station at level 19. Now not only are these in game, but 4 of the 7 are actually pulse, which are the best type in the game in terms of stats. So these are 100% worth getting as soon as you can. Let's take a look. Number 1 is a water pole called Yarn Tide, the best and strongest water type in Palworld. It is only found in the wild at level 45 as a boss fight. As soon as you unlock the breeding station, you need to catch an Elizabeth found here in the wild inn, or around the area that surrounds the second tower boss fight, and a Relaxaurus which is found here on the map. It's another low level pole you can get, no problem. You simply throw these guys into the breeding pen together, and you will get yourself Yarman Tide, which is the strongest water pole in this game. The next strongest combination is Anubis, only found in the wild again as a level 45 boss fight. You can breed him with Elizabeth, which you should already have from the previous combination, and a dinosaur, a pole located across the grassy parts of the map but is commonly found in the every start of the game. Number 3 is the game's best and strongest electric type, and it's the electric dragon or Jark. Like every pole on this list, it's only found in the wild after level 40. But you can catch a level 18 GIS bolt in the number 1 Wildlife Sanctuary. And you can breed that with a Relaxaurus, which you should have caught from the Yard Ride, which we mentioned earlier. Number 4. The game's best grass type is Lilen. You will need some different paws this time to breed Manda, found here on the map, where you can also catch Elizabeth. You can then breed that with Patalia, located in the number 1 sanctuary, in the same place you catch GIS Bolt. Number 5 on this list is Minting, one of the strongest paws in this game, but it is not technically the best of its type. There are some stronger dark and ground type paws, but it's still a very powerful paw and one of the best in the game. It's one which you can only find in the wild after level 40. You need simply an Elizabeth, which you should already have, and you need to catch a Hell Jaffer, which you can find in the same place of Elizabeth but only at night time. Number 6 on this list is Warsek. Again, not the best of its type but still one of the strongest paw in the game, and can only be found at level 40 in the wild. You can breed Relaxaurus, which you should already have, and a Sweeper, which you can catch very early as a boss fight as well at level 11. Lastly, number 7 on our list is where you are going to breed 2 of the paws we have made together, Lean and Minting, and you will get Lilenoct, which is one of the strongest duck type paws in the game as well. So then guys, there we have it. As soon as you are level 19, you can build the breeding pen, and then you will need to do is catch an Elizabeth, Relaxaurus, GIS Bolt, Dinosaurs, Manda, Hell, Jedar, and Sweeper. All poles which should be around the level at which you are to unlock the breeding pen at level 19. You can then use them to breed together and create 7 of the strongest pals in this game that would only otherwise be found after level 40 in the wild. And not only that, but half of them in terms of stats are the strongest pals of their type in the game, which are Earman type, Anubis or Jark, and Lylan. So if you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well on what your thoughts are on these combinations. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.